Taco Supremes. We're going to make burritos out of them. We got black beans, tomatoes, hamburger, onions, and fajita sauce, and Taco Bell sauce, and fajita um, seasoning, and taco seasoning. That's what's in this. And we're going to make burritos out of them here in a minute. We are using these from the Dollar Tree, $1.25.
How many's in it?
12. Okay, we got our taco shells. Okay, we're going to get our taco shells ready. And we're going to fill them up with our taco stuff. Let me lay this somewhere. I'll lay it there. Okay, we're going to take one. We'll get Taco Bell seasoning. Hold on a second. We got our oven on 425. We got Taco Bell mild sauce. I don't know how we're going to roll these, but it don't matter. It ain't going to be perfect. Because we're going to turn them upside down. We're going to make them like they do enchiladas. Okay. We got this in that already. So that's why I'm not putting much of it in it. Now this might make us 2 or 3 meals because we're only going to get 2 apiece. And we're folding them up like enchiladas. And we're going to put them in the oven just like that. Like an enchilada. Heck, that's only going to hold 3. Well, let's see. Okay, we got the boys already fixed. Now I got a wheat uh whole wheat fiesta style, and it says 27 grams of carbs, so I can only have one. The boys is gonna get two. And we're making them like enchilada style. Okay, we're gonna put these in the oven for 20 minutes at 350. No, we got them on 425. So we'll cut the temperature back down to 375, and then we're gonna bake these for 20 minutes at 375. Then we'll be right back with you. We got them out. And now we're gonna put some pepper jack cheese on top. Okay, then we're gonna put a little bit more of this on them. We're making them just like an enchilada. If you've ever made enchiladas, you know what I'm talking about, how to do it. You put a little bit of sauce on top of it that you made. And then you put cheese on it. And we only used a half a pound of hamburger. And that made all this. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of Taco Bell sauce back on it after we put our cheese. Now, this is going to be sloppy. And I'm going to tell you what my mom said. If it ain't sloppy, it ain't good. Okay. Now we're going to put a little bit of cheese on these back here. On top. Okay. Now we're going to put a little bit more on these. And we're going to put them back in there till the cheese melts, and then we'll be done. Back in the oven. We're putting them on the top shelf in the oven at 375. We're going to let them stay in there till it melts, the cheese melts. Then we're going to take them out. Oh, I want you to look at these.
Look good.
Them looks good. We got more to put on them. Oh, look at this one. Hell yeah. Now that's what I call good looking food. Now they're done. Oh my God, look at that, how good that looks. This is Cameron's plate. That's how he wants his. He's got sour cream on top. This is Ronnie's plate. He got lettuce on top and sour cream. Okay, we're going to get mine out. And mine's a wheat taco. Made like an enchilada. I'm going to try to get mine out of here. Now, they are hard to get out. You have to spray your pan good, but they still stick anyway, they do. I don't know whether it's always done that. Okay, I got lettuce and salt on this. Okay, I'm going to put some sour cream on this. This is about 40 calories for me right here. I mean, 40 grams of carbs right here with all this stuff that's in here. Okay, this is all we got. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Push the like and subscribe button if you ain't already. Or give me a thumbs down. It don't matter. It all ends up in the same. And I hope you try this recipe. I will leave the recipe in the bottom of the comments. And I hope you try this. If you do, leave me a comment about it. And tell me how you like it. But this is what we're going to have today. Enchiladas made with taco seasoning and fajita seasoning. And black beans, onions, and tomatoes, and hamburger. Fajita sauce, taco sauce, and that's what we're going to have. You can also find me on TikTok. So here we go, and thanks for watching. I hope you like this. Bye.